right, what are we doing?
Bully.
No, hold on. You can't mulligan.
What?
So this is so we're playing my alpha deck. This is probably the worst one I've seen so far.
Yeah.
So okay, so let's say you're on the play, you play your land, trop. So you have to play the black Vise, right?
I play the black Vise.
So this is probably the worst. That's not the worst. You can get another mana on a Lotus. Okay, so this is actually the first time I ever had turn 2. So you pass the turn. Okay, go ahead. Go.
Yeah,
this is-
You don't say that because
Oh, okay. Now we're okay. Now we're okay.
Now we're good. And I go time walk.
Yep. Garbage is over here. Yep.
And I see judges running.
Okay, well I'm gonna
Time
have
walk.
to time walk again.
Yep. Very. Time walk's the thing, man.
And tap draw.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Wait.
Okay, interesting decision. What would you? Another time walk? And black Vise?
Oh,
Tutors for a prismatic. Whatever
black
the hell,
Vise.
thing that-
Would you time twister there?
no.
No, not yet. Yeah. You want to keep using the time walks.
Time walk.
Yeah.
Prophetic prism.
Prophetic prism.
Oh my
Play
God.
land.
Yep. So now this is time twister.
Now it's time
This is all
to
kids.
easy. Easy decision.
Opponent cuts.
Okay.
Draws a card. Opponent's like,
Yep.
oh wait, you couldn't activate that. You
You
just
just
have to
draw. Yeah, you can just.
So whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
And I'm doing 7.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm like,
That's black Vise because we're
1,
testing.
2,
This is
3,
too slow for this deck.
4,
the
5.
swinger. I'm like,
6.
hey, I got
So ancestral is the key.
There
Ancestral
you
is the
go.
key.
And then I go this.
So 3 plays 12.
I'm like, what?
3.
No!
Yeah, so 7. That's 9 damage.
Ancestral.
It's 18 damage.
But it was just like, this is
Yep, you got it.
Yeah, I got it. That's it. Now I still have
So,
the time walk.
so that was turn 2.
Turn 2.
What do you think? Turn 2? That's not bad.
That's your worst hand, right?
Yeah. Because everybody else is playing Chaos Orb and everything. But the Chaos Orb you, it doesn't matter because
Damn it.
they're going to Chaos Orb what? 1 mana and you're going to float it anyway and ancestral
Yeah, it
yourself.
doesn't matter.
Right.
And he's like,
Wow.
I guess it's not exceptional.
Is that cool?
Like,
That's pretty
yeah.
You want to try?
It's annoying, but it's cool.
That was the alpha deck. Good job, John. There you go.